Hi fellow grocery addict, it's Jackie and I am at Trader Joe's. I'm excited because I'm doing a special video on my fasting channel, actually several of them. We're getting a lot of different things that I'm going to use to put together many different meals. I'll be sharing all those meal ideas on my fasting channel. I did this recently for Aldi, but they're 500 calorie meals, and I know that sounds really small, but I do it as part of my intermittent fasting journey. There are days where I only have one 500 calorie meal, and then the next day I eat much longer than normal instead of a longer fast. It's part of alternate day fasting. I'm not trying to get into fasting here, but I'm getting stuff for those 500 calorie meals at Trader Joe's today. It's going to make several different videos where I share meals, but I'm going to take you today in to get the food, the haul. I didn't even have to pay a quarter for the cart. We're not in Aldi anymore. We're in their cousin's land. The entrance of Trader Joe's always makes me wish I was a plant person. Like, look how beautiful these are. So I have notes written all over mine, but did you know you can go and make a shopping list on Trader Joe's website to take into the store? It's pretty handy. I'm grabbing a grapefruit, $1.69. I'm getting the black barbecue and black pepper salad, $3.49. I'm gonna get this pulled chicken, $8.99, and it's a whole entire pound. Okay, I'm gonna get this banana and cream yogurt cups. It's $3.99. They have banana, oh, this is strawberries with it too. They also have peach, and they have peaches and mango. I'm gonna get this one. Okay, so they have egg bites here. They're ready in 60 seconds, pre-made. I'm gonna get the cheese, spinach, and kale. They're $3.49. Okay, I've heard they've had really good tofu. I've never tried tofu from Trader Joe's. I had it a long time ago at a restaurant, but I'm going to try this. $3.99. I've heard this one's really good. It's sriracha flavored and it's ready to eat. They have this unexpected broccoli cheddar soup. It's $4.99. Kung Pao Brussels sprouts, $5.99. Lemon chicken and arugula salad, $4.99. $4.49 for the Trader Joe's sauerkraut with cucumbers. They have lots of different flavored waters, just like Aldi. I'm gonna get the raspberry lime and cranberry clementine and a grapefruit, 99 cents each. They have a low-calorie lemonade and pink lemonade. They're $3.29 each. I'm gonna get one of each. Cauliflower gnocchi, $2.99. Yummy. My favorite Trader Joe's product, eggplant spread, $2.99. Beef burrito, $7.99. Okay, salsa verde chicken enchiladas. I'm getting this. It's a little over a pound, $4.99. Cuban style bowl is $3.99, and it's right here. I'm gonna get it. $2.99 for a broccoli cheddar quiche. Okay, they have steamed dumplings. I'm gonna get the chicken soup ones, $3.49. Garlic stir-fried cabbage is $3.49. Mini dill falafel. I'm very excited to eat this, $4.29. They have a entire butter chicken meal here. It is $4.49. Asian vegetables with stir-fry sauce is $3.99. Kung Pao chicken, $5.99. Spicy Mexican style rice cauliflower, it is $3.79. Get a bag of that. Frozen mashed cauliflower, $3.49. Okay, $3.49 mini chicken cilantro wontons. Root beer float bars. Oops, that is not what I wanted. They might not have them. Root beer float bars are gone. Never mind. Gone Berry Crazies. I don't know how much they are, but these are $2.49 for the bananas. I'm guessing similar. My daughter loves those. The mango cream bars are $3.49. We got the last box of that. Lemon bars, $4.99. You get 12. I'm getting egg wedge, $5.49. Fire roasted peppers and onions, $2.49. I got this last time, my last Trader Joe's haul. They are so good, delicious. Coconut chickpea curry, $2.49. And I'm also gonna get Kachari, $2.49. Steamed lentils, $3.29. And I get broccoli slaw for $2.49. Smoked turkey breast for $3.69. They have so many freeze-dried. They have blueberries, they have bananas, they have raspberries, and I really like this berry medley. $3.99. $1.99. Jalapeno beef chopstick. Okay, I think I got most of what I wanted. Any guess at my total? While I was in line, they helped me find this, $2.49. That was a big one. Well, they didn't have everything I wanted, but I was very excited that they had most of it. And if you want to see a previous Trader Joe's haul, you can watch this video right here. Or as my 500 calorie meal ideas from Trader Joe videos come out, you can follow this playlist. If there's not a playlist here, that means the videos aren't out yet, but you can check it out when they are. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.